How to change call background on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Phone app. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings, which is the second option. Click on Display option and you will find background option in here. If you don't find call background option in here, what you can do is simply go back and then open Play Store. In Play Store, search Caller Screen Dialer and then download any app. After you download the app, you will be able to change call background. This is how to change call background on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.